This February marks 34 years for John and Susan Bowler, an anniversary they didn't know if they would make.
He's had 2 heart surgeries, 2 open heart surgeries.
Bowler's first surgery at age 45 was a bypass, his second to repair a failing mitral valve. So when he started having trouble walking Tommy and Floyd, he knew it was life-threatening.
I would go around and I'd have to stop, catch my breath.
He could barely walk 10 feet.
Another open heart surgery was too risky, but timing was everything. A new FDA procedure gave Bowler a second chance to replace his already repaired mitral valve. Blood flows between the different chambers of the heart through valves. On the left side of John's heart, his mitral valve replacement was not working. A new procedure called transcatheter mitral valve in-ring, or TMVIR, uses a catheter to replace a valve in the ring.
The innovative factor about this procedure is that we have used the technology that's tried and tested in the aortic position. We take the same valve, we reverse it, we go from the right side of the heart to the left side, all transcatheter, all minimally invasive, through the groin of the patient.
The valve starts working immediately. Compared to open heart surgery, patients recover more quickly and feel better faster.
Here's some friends.
Now Bowler is back on the right track, with Tommy and Floyd leading the way.
He's pulling me everywhere.
Keeping the entire family healthy and moving forward. I'm Marty Salt reporting.